Hey, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and we're just starting day one of SEMA 2024 here in Las Vegas at the Convention Center. I cannot wait to show you this incredible show. All the manufacturers, great people, maybe do some interviews or two. It's gonna be a fantastic day. Come along with me and I'll show you what SEMA is all about. All right, guys, so we're here at the Bendpack and QuickJacks booth with Sean, and you guys know how much I love these products. I've got all the DIYs for putting them together. I wanted to make sure to introduce you guys to Sean. Quick heads up on this product. So, Sean, what do you think about this?
Yeah, no, this is, the QuickJacks especially, one of my favorite products. We sell tons of them every single month. They're wildly popular. Even myself, I'm a car guy. I build hot rods. I have a 4-post in my garage. Cool. I still use my QuickJacks all the time. So the convenience, right? So if you have a space that you can't dedicate to a lift, right? This is something you can actually have them hanging in the wall, and within 5 minutes you can have them down, connected to the power unit, plugs into 110 volt, and have your car up 24 inches up in the air. So it makes it super, super convenient. I've actually pulled a transmission out of my 63.5 Galaxy using QuickJacks. So yeah, it's a very, very versatile piece of equipment. And the one thing that people might think when they see it is that it's not stable. So, typically we'll have our Bendpack branded wrapped Mustang here, and we'll tell people, hey, if you can knock this thing off of the QuickJacks, we'll give you a set of QuickJacks for free. We haven't had to give away any QuickJacks. So today we obviously have a customer car, very expensive car. We don't want people pushing and putting their elbow into it. But yeah, it's extremely safe, very stable. And again, just being able to lift that car 24 inches in the air, to try and do that with jack stand and floor jacks, boy, talk about sketchy, right? So super quick, super efficient, super safe, and yeah, one of my favorite products.
I love it, man. And you guys see it all of my videos. Anytime I've got the car up in the air, I'm always like, get your car up safely. I'm like, jack and jack stands, or do it safely with QuickJack. So I want to make sure that you guys met Sean here. Make sure to check out all the QuickJack videos, and let's check out more of the show. Thanks, Sean. Appreciate you, man.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
All right, guys, so here at the Moton booth, hopefully you guys saw my Moton install video here in collaboration with Brian of Keys Motorsports. Here is the gentleman that helped Brian get it all set up. So I've learned a lot here in the last couple of minutes. I wanted to share just a little bit of information so you guys could too. What's the most important things about this kit?
It's really the adjustability, and what I was explaining to him was about the settings and about the one-ways and about, a lot of people call me and they're like, I want a magic bullet for the settings, rebound setting, and I was explaining to him, there is no magic bullet. You guys need to play with the suspension, put it on full soft, put it on full stiff, and really get it set up for you to be able to work for what you need.
No, that's really cool. And now, and the cool thing about this kit is that you can make it into a two-way kit if you want. But it sounds like what I'm hearing is that for the average daily driver, a one-way is perfect.
It is. It's more than enough of adjustability. But you know, the upgradability of a kit of a Moton one-way to a 2 and a 3 is adding that adjustable compression setting, and then on a 3-way low and high-speed compression to really turn a street kit into more of a motorsport-capable product.
Yeah, and that makes sense. And if I got a chance to take my car to the track more, you were saying that might be the moment that I might want to do that two-way conversion.
Yeah, it's an upgradable kit, meaning you can send it into our service center. We can add one of the shock reservoirs to it to make it a 2 or 3-way, but you can do it as you build the car. Like you have a street car now, you're having fun with, and then sometimes maybe you keep the car, maybe you want to go to track, we can do the upgrade then.
That's so cool. Well, hey guys, make sure to check it out. The DIY was great. It's a fantastic product. I can't wait till it's all broken in. Hey, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, so here at the Valtronic booth, this is so cool. They got so much cool stuff. Man, what's awesome?
We always got to keep expanding. So welcome to booth 21613, guys. Valtronic Designs. When I started this company 5 years ago, I knew that the business model could only work large. So doing stuff like this 992 Porsche GT3 behind us, this very, the build on this car is just insane. There's so much going on. Taking projects like this, so people can have the flexibility, have the best sound, and have no compromises. That's why we're here. And hey, all these nice cars, whoever owns this, they've got a garage and they have neighbors. So making sure your neighbors are happy, keeping those police off your back, that's how we do it. And if anybody's looking to get the exhaust set up for them, whether it's a car like this, a Lamborghini Revuelto, or their BMWs, their G80s, their F80s, you know the one-stop shop is Valtronic.
Hey, you guys remember we had a ride along back at a Bimmer Invasion like 3 years ago in New Jersey, right?
Was
it 4 years ago? It was an F80.
Were we doing burnouts?
Yeah.
That pencils. Cut to that clip if we can find it.
All right, guys, we're gonna keep rolling. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.
Always, thank you for your time. Cheers. We'll catch you on the next one.
All right, guys, so still here at SEMA rolling around, and I came by the Swiss Tracks booth, and I don't have this in my garage yet, but I've been really wondering, and I was talking with Carlos, because you guys see on my channel, I spill stuff. So my very first question is, what do you do about spills? Like, I was doing brakes the other day, and I got brake fluid all over the place, and I'm like, now it's under the Swiss Tracks. What do you do? So Carlos, what do you do?
Well, Stefan, it's pretty easy. You can easily pick it up from one corner. Pick it up, clean it. All simple. Whenever it's time over here. Just lift it back up.
Nice.
And then just step on through. Starts clipping back up together. All done.
That's fantastic. Now, and you were saying you can just use brake cleaner on it?
Chemical resistant, slip resistant. all easily wiped down and you're good to go.
I love it because you know, I've seen the custom designs, guys, right? Where you can put like the M logos, you know, the BMW logos in your
custom graphics.
And if it was like light color, I was worried about it getting ruined or something, but if you can use like brake cleaner and clean it up, that's cool.
Yeah, exactly. Easy cleanup. No
I love it.
whatsoever.
Hey, Carlos, thank you so much.
Hey,
really
no
appreciate
problem.
it. Thanks, man.
Great to meet you, Stefan.
All right, guys, let's keep rolling. All right, guys, day one is winding down. We've got the SEMA concert tonight, Goo Goo Dolls, so this should be a good time. Man, what a day. My feet are tired. But it's been a fantastic day. We'll have day two tomorrow. We'll have more content, more vendors, more interviews, more great people. It's been a fantastic day. I will see you on day two.